Come test drive the 2019 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.